As everybody is aware, a senator and a member of parliament from Nyeri invaded the premises of our plant distributor and took possession of brands of alcohol that were supposed to be in the market. We specifically went yesterday and inspected the facility at Mahoko, which is an alcohol factory, manufacturing factory, where the owners have invested more than 30 billion shillings to make the factory. KEBS certificates were there. At night, KEBS gave a notice that they have cancelled the certificates and licenses for 3 brands without informing the owners of the brand. The reasons KEBS has given for cancelling those licenses is that there is a general complaint. That complainant has not been mentioned. Number 2, there was a very, very gross abuse of the fair administrative action by KEBS, which is an entity allowed to check the quality standards of the products that are in the market. We have been instructed today in the morning to file a judicial review case before the Judicial Review Commission, Division of the High Court. We are expecting that matter to be dealt up with. We are seeking for orders to suspend or revoke those draconian orders that have come from KEBS. This, as I said, is purely a witch hunt. Such an onslaught by the political class who want the company to cede shares to them. This is a company of a widow. Harassing a widow is not acceptable under this law. We have moved to court seeking conservative orders, and we hope the court will protect the private businesses from the harassment of the politicians of Madeira constituency, and by extension the politicians of Nyeri constituency, being the member of parliament and being the senator for Nyeri. Among the grounds that we have raised in our petition is failure to comply with the rules of natural justice. 2, KEBS does not have anybody who has died, who has been injured, who has been a victim, end of those things. 2, KEBS operates with the laboratories. They could have taken the samples to their laboratories, found out that the drinks that are in the market do not meet the standardization qualities set by KEBS. KEBS cannot operate by rumors that somebody has complained, an anonymous person has complained. We are urging the courts and we are urging the country to rally behind PATIALA Distillers. This is a company that has been in operation from 2009 to date. This is a company, as I indicated, that pays every year over 1.4 billion shillings in form of taxes. This is a company that has employed over 300 permanent employees and over 10,000 indirect employment accruing from this. So we are putting them to notice. We have sued the Minister for Interior because of the failure to ensure that the products were not destroyed. We are also demanding that the courts intervene and order the Inspector General of Police and the DPP to prosecute rather we lay the basis on what is a fair administrative action.
Thank you very much. My name is Omai Orana. Now, I'll quickly delve into what is before court. As you realize that PATIALA Distillers was moved to court, and what it is calling into question is actually the manner in which the Kenya Bureau of Standards has moved with without any complaint and whimsically cancelled the standard permit marks for 3 brands for PATIALA. As you realize is that all this is being done without affording our client, that's PATIALA, a fair chance to be heard before any administrative action is carried on against them. You equally appreciate that our PATIALA distillers are being condemned and heard. Their side of the story has not been heard, let alone the stories that KEBS are saying that they have overheard. Therefore, it is extremely prudent that the KEBS has exercised its administrative powers, which are theirs to provisions of Article 27 of the Constitution on Fair Administrative Action, as well as the Fair Administrative Actions Act, which gives guidelines on how administrative bodies are to conduct themselves.
Once I get the orders, I share.